Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2021 Ford Transit 350 XLT. This is a rear entry. It's got the manual doors. We can swing them out here, unlock. Get another hand on there, make this a little easier. There we go. Swing them open on both sides here. This has a brand new Braun rear entry lift, and this is a super wide lift. 37.5 inch wide. This is the bariatric lift. Most of the Braun lifts are 33.5, so you get 4 extra inches of width, and you got the 1,000 pound weight capacity. Most of the AC right there, the 1,000 pound weight capacity. Most of these lifts have 800 pound weight capacity. So if you're into bariatrics, this is Holland Bariatric. This is the answer for you. This has got the right side unfolds the lift. And to make this lift work, you gotta have the ignition on. You gotta have the emergency brake set. You got to have the on button flip right there on the lift. So those three things have to be done or the lift will not work. We have our lighting up here to make this ADA compliant. Like I said, 37.5 inches wide, 50 inches deep. And you can set the remote right there. 60 inches coming inside the van, and then 67 once you're inside the van. A ton of headroom in there. Come on in, you can see you could fit, shoot, 2, 3, maybe even 4 wheelchairs in this van at a time. It's got the brand new conversion. It's got your upgraded Q strings. We do have one set of the Q strings. We've got our shoulder straps up here. If you do want to order more Q strings to haul multiple chairs, we can get those for you. You got your cup holders in the rear for your passengers. You can see this lift only has 33 cycles on it. They do run a few cycles to test it out before it leaves the factory, but it's brand new. Got your row of 3 up here, so you could haul 5 people plus potentially 3 or 4 wheelchairs. These seats are easily removable as well, so if you want to haul a bunch more wheelchairs, you've got that option to do so. As you can see, you've got the navigation, you got your dashes in great shape, got your rear air controls, got your plugs up there for your electronics, more plugs here for the passenger. It has a lot of great safety features like the backup camera as well. We've got our tie down information right there, and cup holders in the rear, plugs for cell phones, electronics back here as well. And of course, you got your side door. I'll show that to you here in just a minute. But when you get everybody secure, come on back out and just reverse the process. Our lift comes with a 3-year 36,000 mile warranty on the lift. Good at any Braun dealer in the country, so it's nationwide. And to reverse the process, we just hold the up button. Go, and then we hit the fold button. Folds right back up in, and you are ready to go. There's all your warranty information on it as well. Hang it there, turn off the switch to save battery, and we're ready to roll. Inside the van, just have a couple scuffs back here, maybe a little cargo in the back, scratched up the back door a little bit. You probably never would have noticed that, but my goal is to show you exactly what you're getting. If I see it, I want you to see it. I'm not trying to portray this as a perfect van, but it's a very nice van. We got our tow package in case you want to pull your little boat, a little trailer. It's got your backup sensors on there. I'll show you more about that momentarily. It's got tinted windows. We just put 4 brand new Falcon tires on it. Brand new. These tires don't even have 10 miles on them. All 4 brand new tires. The exterior is very clean. It's got your side step there as well. Got a nice clean exterior on the van. As you can see, definitely no major body damage at all. We have a dent guide goes over all of our vans too. We are very thorough in everything we do. I hope you can tell that by this video. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get the VIN number, a video, not just a picture, a video with a VIN number. And you say, what's the significance of that? The door tags on these vans are nearly impossible to duplicate. So if you see a door tag with the VIN number, it means the van is on my property. It's not me just taking a imaginary van and trying to sell it on the internet and get you to send me money. This door tag right now means this van's right here. It's with me. I got it in my possession. This is not some internet scam. Okay, what we do with our vans, we run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles. You can use one owner, no accidents or damage, a former rental vehicle. I hear a lot of people say stay away from rentals. I agree. If it's a sports car, probably been driven pretty hard. I don't think too many people rent a Ford Transit and go out and hot rod it. I think it means highway miles. That's a good thing on a car. Last owned here in nice salt rust-free Kansas. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of those super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title, one owner, no accidents or damage. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, no open recalls, and it shows it meets the specs. Went into service 6/14 of 2021, so it meets the specs to be under the full Ford bumper-to-bumper warranty until 6/14/2024 or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. Meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Ford until 6/14/2026 or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And the lift, like I mentioned, is a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on the lift as well. So you're covered front, back, top to bottom, fully covered on this van. No matter who you do business with, find them online, look at the reviews and ratings, find us on eBay. 1,429 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's 100%. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, make sure they are a real company. Find us on Google. You can see we're here in Wichita, Kansas. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You know, I have people all the time, they talk to me about how they found a deal on Craigslist or Facebook from a private individual that was just too good to be true. They end up getting scammed out of their life savings, or buying a complete lemon, or buying a vehicle they can't get a title from. Well, you know, they end up buying from the, I hear stories about these dealers with the 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews. They, buy one with flood damage, salvage title, title issues, mechanical issues, you name it, I've heard it all. So, if you want 1 and 2 and 3-star vans, buy from those 1 and 2 and 3-star dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from someone that's been doing this for a dozen years, give me a call. Okay, back to the van. We've got the 2 keys. Got our keyless entry on here as you enter the van. It's got our black cloth seats, very clean. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. It's another great thing about rentals. They do not allow smoking in the vehicles. This interior looks darn near brand new. As I go to start up the van, you got the key here, 23,676 miles. You can see how the dummy lights work, and they all go out. So no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, none of that. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We assume nothing. We don't, just because it's almost a brand new van, we still test the power mirrors, the windows, the locks. See the mirror over there moving? See this mirror? The window and the mirror. Heat, air, brakes, hoses, suspension, steering. Replace fluids as necessary. Check the tires. Take them on a road test. My point is, and I hope you can tell this by our videos, we are very thorough in everything we do. We do not just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot. We inspect them thorough. No matter how many miles are on them, they go through a thorough checklist. Underneath the hood, got the 3.5 twin turbo engine. These get great fuel mileage. They have plenty of power. Purrs like a kitten. Okay, like I was saying, as we crawl underneath the van, as you can see, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any leaks of any kind. No signs of any rust, for being in a flood or being up north. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's only got 23,000 miles on it, or it's low miles, they assume because it's fairly new, they assume it's got a clean title. They assume it's never been in a bad accident. They assume it's got a never been a flood or anything like that. And that's the most dangerous thing you can do. Do not assume things. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I want you to ask yourself, do they show you the Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle with a clean title, no major accidents, no flood damage? Do they show you their reputation online so you know you're buying from a reputable dealer? Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less videos, of the undercarriage, so you know exactly what you're getting? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to going the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting, please, please, please compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening if you buy a vehicle that's got frame damage, whether it be from a flood or from a bad accident? It may not pass inspection in your state. If it doesn't pass inspection in your state, you just bought a vehicle you can't even drive. So do 4 things. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. If someone's going to ask you to spend a boatload of money, tell them to get off their behind, get out there, put their heart and soul into the video just like I do every single one of these. Second, demand a Carfax report. Not some cheap knockoff. We spend thousands of dollars every single month on our Carfax reports. I want to know what I'm buying, and I want to know what I'm selling. We go the extra mile. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation, check out their reviews. You as the buyer, you have the responsibility to do your due diligence. Take 3 minutes of your life, find out who you're buying from, and finally, demand a warranty. Our van meets the specs to be under the full bumper-to-bumper warranty from Ford, along with the powertrain and the 3-year, 36,000-mile conversion warranty as well. So do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. We stand behind our products. We make sure each one comes with a warranty. So let's get it out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Transit home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure it's roadworthy. You see that 3.5 engine pops up to 70 miles an hour. No problems. Plenty of power in these engines, along with really good fuel mileage. The steering wheel is nice and straight. No unusual vibration or noise. Van runs and drives like a brand new van down the highway. Got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. And do keep in mind, this van meets the specs to be under the full power or full bumper-to-bumper warranty. But also, we do sell long-term warranties that cover not only the van, like factory-type bumper-to-bumper on the van itself, but also on the conversion. So those can be kind of costly to work on when they do go bad. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show you a real nice price online. What they've hidden in the fine print, $500 document fee, they got a tag fee, they got administrative fee, they got freight. You name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have is free shipping. So once you add up all their hidden fees, once you add up the free shipping, that real nice price you saw online jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore. So be sure to ask about that free shipping before. Be sure to ask about the shipping before you buy. Be sure to ask about the hidden fees, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. See the orange light blinking there? My blind spot monitor. I had my left turn signal on. That van was coming up in my blind spot. It gave me a heads up, a warning, do not cut over into the lane. So another great safety feature about this van to keep you, your loved ones, or possibly even your employees out of an accident. So give it a nice hard brake here. You'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So once again, exactly what we're looking for. My question to you back on those fees, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they've got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? You know, I don't know. I just know transparency is key, and that's exactly why I'm out here making this video. Especially in the used car business, transparency is key. So if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Now, if texting is easier for you, or you're just more comfortable texting, here's my cell phone number, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in, talk to an automated system, and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get a live person. It's that super pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, you're sick of being treated like just a number to all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super pushy used car salesman, give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Transit whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. I guess we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you so much for hanging in there with us. Give us a like on this YouTube video. We would really appreciate that. Give us a follow if you want to be the first to see our upcoming inventory. And if you ever do want to come in, please make sure you make that appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. Call me up, make that appointment. We'll spend some time with you. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, the most thorough mobility dealership in the country, and where mobility is affordable. Give us that call today. Have yourself a wonderful day. Hey, one great safety feature I forgot to show you on these vans, they have the backup and even the front forward sensors. If you get up too close to a vehicle, starts beeping at me, let me know this van's in front of me. Okay, as I get closer, that will change to yellow. It'll beep louder, it'll beep faster. Same on the rear. So if you're not used to driving a vehicle this big, technology is a wonderful thing. So wanted to show that to you. So give us a call if there's anything we can do, and thanks for checking us out.